Hi, my name is Jemina Gonzalez. I am a registered dietitian here at Old Bridge Medical Center. And today we're going to be talking about chocolate. Valentine's Day and chocolate. Can you name a more iconic duo? But did you know that chocolate's love story goes back thousands of years? Grab your time machine because we are traveling to Central and South America, where it all started with a fabulous cacao tree. The Olmecs of southern Mexico, around 1500 BC, were likely the first to whip up a cacao-based drink. Then the Mayans took the reins from the Olmecs and made chocolate a star player in their daily life. Their version, thick, frothy, and sometimes spiced with chili. Not the sweet treat we are used to eating today. The Spanish conquistadors brought it back to Spain as a medicinal drink. The Swiss and British made chocolate more accessible to the public by turning it into a solid form. Today, chocolate feels like a treat for the heart. But can chocolate really be good for you? Let's dive into the different types, explore their potential health benefits, and see how you can indulge in this beloved delight in a way that keeps both your taste buds happy and your heart healthy. Chocolate comes in three main varieties: dark, milk, and white. What is the difference, you ask? Dark chocolate contains between 35% and 85% cocoa solids. It has more cocoa solids and less sugar, making it a healthier option. Milk chocolate contains about 10% cocoa. It has more sugar than cocoa solids. White chocolate is made from the cocoa butter, which is the edible fat extracted from the cocoa beans. It has no cocoa solids, so essentially it is just sugar and fat. It is not really considered true chocolate and the least healthy option. The health benefits of chocolate lie in the flavonoids, and in particular the flavonols, which are found in cocoa solids. Flavonols are antioxidants and are linked to better blood vessel function, lower blood pressure, and reduce inflammation. But there's a catch. While dark chocolate may offer more flavonoids than other types of chocolate, getting enough to have heart-healthy benefits can be tricky. The amount of flavonols needed for heart health is usually much higher than what you get from a regular chocolate bar. This is why it is recommended you enjoy chocolate in moderation. Make heart-healthy choices by sticking with dark chocolate that has at least 70% cocoa. Keep portions small, like 3 small pieces per day. If dark chocolate is not your favorite, you can enjoy 3 small pieces of milk chocolate occasionally. Just be mindful of the extra added sugar. If you are craving a treat that's heart-healthy, berries should be your go-to. They are packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. They lower blood pressure, they relax blood vessels, and neutralize free radicals to protect the heart. For the most benefit, aim for 3 servings of berries a week. What counts as a serving depends on the type of berries. 3/4 cup of blueberries, 1 1/4 cup of strawberries, and 1 cup of raspberries are considered a serving. Mixing chocolate and berries is a heart-healthy combo that will allow you to enjoy chocolate in moderation. Today, we will make a heart-healthy dessert that will satisfy your chocolate cravings. We will make a chocolate and berries yogurt parfait. You will need 4 small graham crackers, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 3/4 cup of fresh raspberries, 1/2 cup of strawberries, 1/2 cup of blueberries, 6 ounces of vanilla Greek yogurt, and mint leaves. So first, we are going to put on gloves. And for the first step of the recipe, we are going to add our graham crackers and put them in a plastic bag. And with the help of a fork, we are going to start crushing the graham crackers. and they need to be crumbled, just like this. Take the crumbled graham crackers, and this will be our first layer. For our second step, we are going to add the 6 ounces of Greek yogurt and our 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. And we'll mix it very well. Now that it is mixed in very well, we are going to add the layer of Greek yogurt. For the third layer, we are going to use some strawberries. And then we will put another layer of yogurt. For our next layer, we are going to add our blueberries. And for our last layer, we are going to put in our raspberries and put them right on top. And let's not forget our decoration. It always must look pretty. So let's put in some mint leaves. And that is how you make this chocolate with berries parfait. Let's enjoy. You can taste the chocolate. It's very creamy, the different berries. It has lots of protein and lots of fiber. And of course, that chocolate flavor that everyone loves. This parfait you can prepare ahead. You can put it in the refrigerator and grab it whenever you have the desire for chocolate. And you will have a very well-balanced dessert at home. With a little planning, you can satisfy your chocolate cravings. Remember, it's not about deprivation, it's about moderation. If you make any of the recipes featured on our show, email us a photo and let us know if you like it. Thank you so much for watching.